Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a picture in PowerPoint. Adding images to your presentation can enhance its visual appeal, engage your audience, and make your presentations more memorable and impactful. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide where you want to add a photo. Once you've selected your slide, head over to the menu bar and click on the Insert tab. Then, click on Pictures. You'll see a drop-down with 3 options. Select a picture from your device, use stock PowerPoint images, or search the internet for pictures. For this tutorial, we're going to add an image from our computer. Click on This Device. Now, navigate to the location where your photo is stored on your computer. Let's say it's in the Downloads folder. Find your picture, select it, and click on the Insert button. Your image is now on the slide, but it might not be the perfect size or in the ideal position. You can click and drag to move the image around until it's just right. And that's how you add a picture in PowerPoint. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and guides.